I used to search for natural solutions when my family wasn't feeling their best. Headaches, stuffy noses, and restless nights seemed endless. That changed when I got my dōTERRA Healthy Start Kit. Hi there, my name is Ava, and I've been teaching about dōTERRA for over a decade. Welcome. Today, we're diving into the dōTERRA Healthy Start Kit. This is your natural solutions toolbox. Inside the kit are the top 10 essential oils and blends that tackle common problems naturally and effectively. Plus a great Pebble Diffuser. Let's get started. First, grab your kit and open it up. Essential oils are powerful immune systems of a plant. Just like the oil on your skin, essential oils boost immunity, relax your mind, reduce pain, open airways, and settle your stomach. They work faster and better than synthetic drugs because they pass through the cell membranes. These molecules are so much smaller than synthetic drugs, so they work fast and strengthen every cell. Now let's open your diffuser. Diffusers work with regular tap water and vibrate at an ultrasonic frequency to mix the water and oil together and give out an ultrafine mist. Diffusers help to kill airborne fungus and mold and are great to use while sleeping too. So let's get this class rolling. Let's start with lavender. Lavender is the calming multitasker. It's great for sleep, rashes, bug bites, and natural allergy support. Now let's go to lemon, the detox dynamo. It's the best natural detoxifier and germ killer. Add a drop to your water to balance pH and help with daily focus. Lemon is a fantastic natural cleaner. Just a few drops in a glass spray bottle with water and you're set. What about peppermint? Peppermint boosts energy and relieves pain fast. Instantly uplifting, just open and inhale. You can use for headaches, just dab on hairline, for fevers apply down the spine, or to freshen breath, just a drop on your tongue. Peppermint is great for workouts and appetite control. So now let's talk about frankincense, known as the king of oils because it renews cells. It reduces wrinkles and dark circles. I add a drop to my moisturizer. Remember, consistency is key for the best results. What about oregano? It's the immune powerhouse. It's the go-to for sickness, immune support, and even weight loss. It's a hot oil, so dilute with a carrier oil before applying to skin. Drop into your Italian sauce when cooking. A little goes a long way. Then there's tea tree. This is known as the gentle cleanser. Fights fungus and bacteria, great for cuts, acne, and even nail fungus. Used for ear or sinus issues, apply behind the ears and along the jaw, not inside the ear. It freaking works. Okay, the last four I'll teach you are blends, meaning there are multiple oils designed for a specific purpose. First, let's tackle digestion with Digest Zen, used for upset stomach, gas, or hangovers. Just rub a drop into your belly button or directly on your stomach for instant relief. Now let's go to Breathe, the airway opener. Use with congestion, allergies, coughs, or asthma. I like to apply to my chest before workouts and when I travel. So, next there is On Guard, the ultimate defender. Used for immune support, sore throats, and cleaning. You can diffuse, take internally, or apply to bottom of your feet, especially for kids coming home from school. Get ahead of cold and flus with On Guard. Finally, there is Deep Blue, the muscle and joint soother. Used for aches, pains, and post-workout soreness. Just rub on sore muscles, joints, or temples for headaches. Great for growing pains in kids too. That's a quick class to help you use the Healthy Start Kit. Now you may be ready for activating the oils together. You can do this. You can make easy rollerball remedies for allergies, flu, focus, and skin mending. I'll put these blends in the notes section. And here are my favorite diffuser mixes for cleaning your house, relaxing after a tough day, and boosting your immune system. Here are some quick tips for success. Keep your kit out and visible. Use them daily. Consistency is what brings results. Don't just use oils once, reapply as needed. Apply to the bottoms of your feet for quick absorption and gentle delivery, especially for kids or if you're sensitive to scents. So why dōTERRA? You are empowered to change your health. You don't have to go to synthetics. There is a natural response with these little tiny molecules and the purity of dōTERRA. dōTERRA is the world-class leader in testing and certified purity. dōTERRA is trusted worldwide and sells more essential oils than any other company. dōTERRA is safe for your whole family. Safe to apply to your skin, safe to take internally, safe for your pets, your kids, and your parents. I'm here to help you as you learn. As health concerns happen, just reach out and I'll give you guidance. You can do this. So many pediatric offices start their patients with this exact kit. They tell their concerned parents how to use this kit. instead of coming into the doctor's office, just like I taught you here. You are empowered now. Share with your family and friends as you start healing your family. These are the purest oils on earth. Thanks for getting started. You've got this.